For our business, Tour and Go, a simple structure is the most appropriate at this early stage. We are a partnership of 5 equal partners with no CEO, and all strategic decisions are made collectively. Our team is small, communication is direct, and we need flexibility and fast decision-making in a dynamic, innovation-driven environment. However, as the company grows, gains more users, and expands into new cities and increases the number of employees, this structure will no longer be sufficient. At that point, Tour and Go will gradually move to a functional structure, creating specialist departments such as IT and app development, data and AI, marketing and communication, tourism and local partnerships, and finally, administration and finance. Although all partners remain equal, each one will supervise one functional area. This evolution from a simple to functional structure is consistent with the idea that structure follows a strategy and size, and will help us manage a larger team of efficient and keep responsibilities clear.
So let's now consider the SWOT analysis of our project Tour and Go. First, our strengths. They are innovative concept using AI and real-time crowd data. Then, clear sustainability mission, reduces over-tourism and supports SDGs 8, 9, 11, and 12. Then, strong potential for partnerships with local businesses and cities. Then, it's integrated app that offers itineraries, bookings, and reward system for eco-friendly actions in one place. And finally, great adaptability to the changes in the market trends and demand. Despite the strengths, we also have the weaknesses. They are service quality and prediction accuracy depends strongly on data and technology. Then it's low brand awareness at the beginning and limited financial resources. And finally, sensitive use of location data makes privacy and legal compliance complex.
What about opportunities? Growing interest in smart and sustainable tourism, also possibility to expand into many destinations and cooperate with public authorities, and also new digital technologies can continuously improve the app and its algorithms. Then we analyze the threats. For example, strong competition from big platforms such as Google Maps, online travel agencies, and other specialized apps. Also, future changes in data privacy laws that could limit our use of location data. Then, the economic or political events that reduce tourism flows. And eventually, the competitors may imitate similar features and value propositions.
Let's look at Porter framework for Tour and Go. Firstly, threat of new entrants is medium. New travel apps can enter the market quite easily because digital barriers are low. However, building reliable AI systems and strong local partnerships create some entry barriers in our specific niche of crowd-aware sustainable tourism. And secondly, threat of substitutes is high. Tourists can use Google Maps, generic AI tools, blogs, influencers, guidebooks, or traditional travel agencies instead of our app. The basic service, getting information and planning a trip is similar, and the difference lies in how it is delivered and positioned. And thirdly, our bargaining power of buyers is high. We depend on many individual users, and they can switch apps very quickly and compare many free or cheap alternatives. This means users have high power and can easily vote with their feet if they are not satisfied.
Moving on to the bargaining power of our suppliers is medium, if not low. Why is that? Simply because we rely on map APIs, cloud services, local businesses, and skilled developers. But there are usually several alternative providers, so no single supplier dominates another. The rivalry among existing competitors instead is high. That's because the travel tech market is very competitive, with many apps and agencies fighting for users' attention. These forces show that the industry is challenging, but Tour and Go can still build a defensible position by focusing on sustainable, crowd-aware tourism and strong partnerships with local communities and cities, instead of acting as just another generic only-in-one travel app.
Thank you for following us in the process of making of our business Tour and Go. And it's really working, so less planning, more exploring. Bye! Travel smarter with Tour and Go. Less planning, more exploring.